Price adjustments, how to use it. Quibble has several options for users to modify the price. The relationship between the pricing model and the user should be geared towards getting the model to work for you. That generally means before you make changes directly to the pricing output, evaluate the model and its inputs to look for opportunities. After you've done that, it's time to use the price adjustments, and we'll review those now. There are three primary levels designed for price adjustment: portfolio, market, and property. They can all be accessed from the Price Adjustment tab. When you select the portfolio level for adjustment, this will apply to all markets and all properties. The Markets tab will allow you to select a specific market to adjust, and the property will forward you to the property listing page. Note on pricing strategy: the smallest adjustment should be made at the portfolio level. They get progressively bigger in the market and then the biggest in the property level. Date selection. The date selection has three options to select the days that you want the price adjustment to apply to. Dates can be selected from the calendar by clicking on them or by clicking on them directly in the table. You can select days of week, which will highlight and select the specific days of the week that you want to influence, or you can select all days, which selects all days. Multiplier. After selecting the days you want to adjust for pricing, it is now time to set your multiplier. The multiplier unit will display in the pricing table or the pricing chart. To adjust the price upwards, select one of the positive values, and to reduce the price, select one of the negative values. Multiplier on the pricing chart. At the property page, the pricing adjustment can be made in the pricing chart as well. In the chart, you can see the price move on the chart up or down, which can be quite helpful. Reset, save, and save and send. The reset option allows you to clear all the adjustments that have been made in this working session and not sent yet to the PMS. The save button allows you to save the changes you have made, and those changes will be applied in the next nightly batch optimization. The save and send option allows you to save your changes and immediately send them to the PMS.